Hello guys, my name is Riaz and welcome to my YouTube channel AI Techniques. I am your teacher of Python programming course and today is our fourth lecture. Let's start our today's lecture. In this video I will discuss about different data types in Python. In Python there are total 5 data types. First one is numeric, which can contain integers, complex or float. And second one is boolean, which can be either true and false. And third one is dictionary. Dictionary object contain keys and values and separated by colon. Data type is set. Set is used to store unique type of elements. Means elements cannot be repeated. For example, 156. Fifth data type is sequence type, which can be string, list, and tuple. You know, string is a collection of characters, and list is like array, and tuple list is used to store elements which can be changed, and tuple is used to store data which cannot be changed. For list we use square brackets, and for tuple we use small parentheses. How to check data type of any variable in Python? To check data type of any variable, we use type function in Python. The syntax is type and write parentheses and write your variable name in this function. This function will return the data type of variable in string form. Let's check it on our PyCharm ID. I already write some code here for different data types, and there is a numeric data type. First one is a is equal to 5, and which is integer, and b is equal to 3.6, which is float data type, and c is 1 plus 5j, which is complex. And we use type operator to check data type of each variable and also display value of each variable. Similarly, I write for boolean. Boolean can store true and false, and similarly this is a syntax of dictionary. We write key and value, and we also print its check its type and print its value. And fourth one is set data types, and this is a syntax of set. Fifth one is sequence type. Sequence type, this is a string data type. We can write string in double quotes and single quotes, and we also check its type and of both these variables str and s, and also print its values. This is list, and list is this is a syntax to store elements in list. A list can contain any type of data. In other programming language, array can store only same type of data, but in Python we can store different type of data in list. We also print its type and its value. And similarly, this is a syntax of tuple. We write all the elements in tuple, and these value cannot be changed. We also print tuple type and tuple data. I will discuss about the detail in list, tuple, set, and dictionary in another video. First, I will run this program and show what are the results. This is the numeric data types, and you can see data type of 5 is integer. You can see it, and 3.6 is float data type, and this is for complex data type, and for boolean data types, and which is true and false, and it is bool. And for dictionary, I write name colon sn, and this is a dictionary data type which is dict, and for set I write 136 and its type is set, and last one is sequence type in which string list and tuple is used. I write ABC in double quotes, and you can see its data type is str, uh, and I write AR techniques in single quotes, and its data type is AR techniques. And last one is list, and this is syntax of list, and its data type is list. And last one is tuple, and this is syntax of tuple, and its data type is tuple. We also verify it on our Python interpreter. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new from my channel. Please like and share this video with your friend, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query, then you can leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. I will meet you in the next video.